Jack bought a new phone. Jack is happy.
Oh yeah.
Jack's phone plunged to the ground. Jack is devastated. Jack will get ice cream to cheer him up. "Hello there, ice cream man," said Jack. "May I have one vanilla ice cream, please?" "Here you go," replied the ice cream man. Jack is happy. Oh man, Jack's ice cream slipped from his hand and fell. Jack is furious. Jack will go home now. Where is Jack's car?
What?
Jack's car has been stolen. Jack will have to take the subway. The subway is very dirty and smelly. Jack does not like the subway. Jack is very tired. It won't hurt to take a little nap. Oh no. Jack overslept. Jack missed his stop. Jack got off at the last stop. Jack will take a taxi. Jack got in the taxi. Oh no. It appears that Jack has lost his wallet. The driver kicked Jack out. Jack looked behind him and found his house. Like, share, comment and subscribe so you could make Jack's day better.